Friends, one of the worst moments during a trip is landing in another country and realizing you still have no internet. You need maps, a ride app, hotel details, messages, maybe even work emails. But instead, you are stuck looking for airport Wi-Fi, comparing local SIM cards, or wondering how expensive roaming will be this time. My name is Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Saily, an eSIM app that helps you get mobile data while traveling without using a physical SIM card. And what makes this useful is that you can prepare your data plan before the trip starts. So when you arrive, you are not trying to solve internet problems at the airport. You already have your connection ready. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there, including best Saily offer. Let's get into it. Mates, Saily is a worldwide eSIM service app that lets you buy travel data plans directly from your phone. Instead of buying a physical SIM card or relying on expensive roaming, you choose your destination, pick a data plan, install the eSIM, and use mobile data when you arrive. This service works in over 200 destinations, so it is useful for vacations, business trips, remote work, and basically any situation where you need reliable internet outside your home country. The app is also brought to you by the company behind NordVPN, which is important because Saily is not only about mobile data. It also has a stronger focus on security than a basic travel data app. So the main idea is pretty simple, folks. This app helps you stay connected while traveling, but also gives you more control over your data, your spending, and your travel setup. Alright, my friends, let's open the app and see how Saily works in real life. The first thing you do is choose the destination you are traveling to. You can search for a country or browse through the available destinations inside the app. Once you select the destination, Saily shows you the available eSIM data plans. This is where you choose what fits your trip. If you are traveling for just a few days, a smaller plan might be enough. But if you use maps, social media, video calls, emails, or work tools, then a bigger plan will probably make more sense. And this is one of the things I like here, mates. You can see the plan and the price before you travel. It is prepaid, so you are not waiting for a surprise roaming bill after the trip. You choose the amount of data, buy the plan, and know the cost upfront. After choosing the plan, the app walks you through the eSIM installation. You do not need to open your SIM tray, visit a mobile shop, or buy anything at the airport. You just follow the steps inside the app and install the eSIM on your phone. Then, when you reach your destination, the eSIM can activate and connect to the local network. So instead of searching for Wi-Fi first, you can open your map, order a ride, message your hotel, or check your booking right away. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Another helpful part is data tracking. When you are traveling, mobile data can disappear faster than you expect. Navigation, social media, video calls, uploads, and background apps can all use it quickly. With Saily, you can track your data usage, and there is also a widget that lets you check how much data you have left right from your phone screen. So instead of opening the app every time, you can just glance at your screen and stay on top of it. Mates, this service also includes security features while you use your data. It can help block malicious sites, online trackers, and annoying ads. That is useful because travel often means connecting from unfamiliar places, using different networks, and relying on your phone more than usual. Saily also has its own credit system. You can earn credits when you purchase plans or refer a friend, and then use them to lower the cost of your next plan. So if you travel often, those credits can make future trips a bit cheaper. And now the service is expanding this beyond just mobile data. You can use credits or cash for travel perks, like lounge access and other benefits. So it is not only helping you stay connected, but also adding small upgrades that can make the travel experience more comfortable. There is also Saily Ultra, which is more for frequent travelers. It includes unlimited international data, credits back, a NordVPN subscription, lounge access, and a fast-track pass. So if you travel between countries regularly, this can be more convenient than buying separate data packages over and over again. And guys, support also matters. Saily has 24/7 live chat, which is important because travel problems do not wait for business hours. If something goes wrong with your connection during a trip, you want help when you actually need it. There is also a business side to Saily. If a company needs eSIM plans for employees, it can buy, monitor, assign, and top up plans from a dashboard. So, for teams that travel often, this can be much cleaner than having every employee handle mobile data separately. And overall, the process is pretty simple. You download the app, choose your destination, pick a plan, install the eSIM, and travel with your mobile data already prepared. Then inside the app you can track usage, use credits, check travel perks, look at ultra options, contact support, or explore business solutions if you need them. Alright guys, let's wrap it up. Saily is useful because it solves a simple but very annoying travel problem: getting mobile data abroad without dealing with physical SIM cards, confusing roaming costs, or airport Wi-Fi. For casual travelers, it makes trips less stressful, but for those who travel often, the Ultra plan, credits, and travel perks can add more value. And for businesses, the team solution can make employee connectivity much easier to manage. So if you want a cleaner way to stay connected while traveling, this service is definitely worth checking out. Don't wait and install the Saily app now before your trip. Use my code DanielTech or go to the link in the description to get 15% discount. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.